Hi, good morning, everyone. Gary Singh, broker, Remax Axel, bringing you a condo apartment at the intersection of Don Mills and Finch. Pretty much in best of the neighborhoods, best of the schools, close to Centennial College. Uh, and this is the lobby, as you can see as I enter. It's beautifully done up units, and I'm going to bring the unit to you pretty quick. So this is the unit. I'm showing it to my clients, and before I do that, I'm waiting for them. I would like to show it to you. As soon as you enter, you can see this is more like a 5-star living with everything to the minutest detail that has been taken care of. All the appliances are Highland Whirlpool appliances. You have these small little chandeliers that look so great. And here we are with nice laminate flooring. And the beauty of this house is that it has so many closets that nothing can stay outside. So you just press this and this is how it looks from inside. So this is your living, dining, breakfast table with lots of pot lights. This is the entrance, and like I said, this has so many closets in it. Like everything is so very well organized, and these are like expensive closets. So you have your stacked washer dryer, and this is your bathroom with the LED lights, and those can be controlled. Nice ceramic tiles. See how it gives you a finish of a 5-star living. Let me take you to the first bedroom. This bedroom is nice and bright, also with the same kind of laminate flooring. And if you see these closets, they are not the old kind closets like we used to have, those sliding ones. These are the new style, and it's almost from floor to ceiling. New doors, and this is the bedroom they have. And what he has done is he has created a sliding closet here, pretty much from bottom to top. And then he has also created some kind of a storage space here. So this is all I have for this unit. It's going for multiple listing, multiple presentations. That will be on the 6th. And I have now my clients coming, but before they come, I would also like to show you the view from the balcony. So as you can see, this is a pretty big size balcony. 10-12 people can be here. And then you have the swimming pool, you have the tennis courts, there is guest parking, there is concierge. And of all the things, it's so nicely done up. The curbside appeal is beautiful here. So if you can stand here and see that intersection, what you're looking at, where the Esso gas station is, that's Don Mills and Finch. And if we go southwards, you can see some of those newer buildings as well as some of those older condo buildings. And the school, where you can see the school buses, is one of the attractions here. A lot of people tell me that 2 of the best schools are in this neighborhood. So if you have any questions, concerns, queries, or you are looking for something similar, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 416-333-6935. Once again, if you're a first-time home buyer or you would like to invest in a property, it makes sense to buy something which is almost like a 5-star living. And for that and for any other questions, you can also visit my website, 247torontohomes.com, 247torontohomes.com, or you can call me 416-333-6935. This is Gary Singh, once again wishing you a good Sunday, and I will be back with some more properties as the day progresses today. Have a nice afternoon. Take care and bye.